Hi everyone. I wanted to go through the ESnapp application real quick. We're really trying to put all of our borrowers through here, make it part of the client experience for 2022. So we've been sending out links to you to sign up as partners. If you haven't received that link, just let us know. We'll get it right out to you. Once you go through that initial setup on your phone, the first step you're going to want to take is go to the Simple Nexus website. I'm going to put that in the email. You can just also Google Simple Nexus, go to the login, put in your email address, your password that you set up, and then what you're going to be able to do is go in, upload your headshot, and add any information or links that you want your clients to see. So you can access that information by clicking the round icon on the top right. You'll see I have my headshot, I have my phone number, email, address, all in here. There's an info box here that all of your clients can see, and your buyers can contact you right through the app. Okay, so get this all set up. You could put links for your social media pages, your review pages. I have my Facebook page set up. I also have my client review page set up here so that buyers can, again, go see what past clients are saying about me and my team. Once you're in the initial app, you're going to use this for a few different things. All right, the first item that we're going to use it for is to actually get it out to our buyers so that they could have the centralized location for their pre-approval for their loan. Okay, there's a number of different ways you could share this out throughout the app. You just want to look for the share this app button. Okay, the easiest way to find this is just on that feed page, quick links, share this app. It's going to pull up borrower, partner. We're going to click borrower. You're going to want to have your client saved as a contact in your phone, and all you have to do is type in their name. Okay, so we have Don Homebuyer here. I click on Don Homebuyer, their email address. If you have a phone number in there for them, it's going to automatically populate. I'm going to be set up as your partner. If you work with multiple Embrace loan officers, they will be in here. You'll be able to pick which loan officer you want to share with. On our end, if you're giving us a traditional referral to that client through text message, or you're giving them our phone number, when they reach out, we're going to add you in as a partner. So that's why you want to have yourself set up in here. Now that buyer is going to be linked to not only me and my team, but also you. So when we click send this app, it's going to go out. You as the realtor are going to get a notification that the app has been shared with your client. You're going to get notifications when they complete their online application and as they move through the process with us on their financing. Okay. So second thing that we're going to use in this app is the payment calculator. This is a feature that a lot of you have been asking for. It's right down at the bottom, calculator. There's 3 loan calculators that are available to us: new purchase, refinance, affordability. The one that we're going to be using the majority of the time is the new purchase. These clients are going to be through the pre-approval process. You're going to know which loan that they are pre-approved for. You're also going to know what their down payment is. So when you're in a house with a buyer, you're going to know that they're pre-approved for a conventional mortgage. You click that conventional button, put in all the property details. So if you're standing in a $550,000 house, type in the sales price. Buyer's putting down, say, 10%. Type in the down payment. Average interest rates. We're going to be sending out weekly market updates every Friday to you. In that email is going to be a link to a video just explaining what rate markets are doing, any news on mortgage programs, any industry updates that you should be aware of to best educate your clients over the weekend while you're showing them houses. So we're going to get all that information over to you. In that email, I'm going to include our average rates. I'm also going to show you what the industry average rates are, just so you could plug that in. So you would just go to that email and you're going to plug in the average 30-year fixed rate for the weekend that you're looking. You can put in the exact property taxes for the home. You want to use the annual amount and then the annual homeowner's insurance. I wouldn't recommend putting in less than $1,800 a year for that insurance policy. Once that information is in, we could just click calculate. and it's going to break down the monthly payments for us. So once you click calculate, this screen will pop up. It will show you the monthly principal and interest, the taxes, the insurance. It will also project out mortgage insurance if the program requires it, so you don't need to do anything there. These quotes do come with a disclaimer because the rates and the mortgage insurance are dependent on credit scores, property type, property usage. Could be subject to a small change, but this will give buyers a very good estimate of what range those payments are going to come into. Okay. This payment screen gives you a few different options. You can click this view and share button. It'll generate a PDF that breaks everything down, all right, the information that you put in as far as purchase price, mortgage amount, rate. It'll show you an amortization schedule, and you can click this blue icon here and email or share that out via text message with your clients. You could save this quote. So let's say you're out with Don Home Buyer and you're looking at multiple properties. You could save that quote for that property and send over multiple breakdowns to the buyers. All right. Next thing that we are going to use this app for will be communication with borrowers. So once you send that link over to your clients, they're linked with us, they fill out their application. There's a communication hub in here. It's the chat option. You can put in messages. It's going to link everybody on my team, the borrower, and you as the connected partner with the client. This could be a communication hub for everybody throughout the transaction. Your buyers will go in as contacts, so very easy for us to go in, call our buyers, email our buyers, export the contacts, or edit their information. And then they will go in as a loan in here. So as the buyer moves through the financing process, they move through their purchase process, we're going to be updating you as we hit certain milestones. And you could elect how you receive those updates. You can receive text message updates, you can receive email updates, but we will update you as we move along. So your list will look a little bit smaller, but once they're in here as a loan, you can go into that loan itself. We're going to get updated as we, again, hit those milestones and move through the process. So this is just a basic overview on here. We're going to be doing more tutorials. Definitely would love to hear any feedback, questions, concerns. I'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great day.